What if I told you, in just 30 days, you could completely reset your life? Not by quitting your job, not by moving to another city, not by becoming a different person, but by changing the way you think, act, and show up every single day. Because here's the truth. You don't need a new life. You need a reset. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your life in 30 days. Step by step, week by week, with simple, powerful, practical strategies that actually work. If you give me the next few minutes and give yourself the next 30 days, your life will not look the same. Let's begin. Chapter 1. The truth about resetting your life. Days 1 to 3. Before we talk about habits, routines, or goals, we need to talk about truth. You don't hate your life. You hate your current patterns. Read that again. Most people think they need a drastic change. In reality, they need a pattern interruption. A reset starts with awareness. Step 1. Audit your current life. On day 1, sit down with a notebook and answer honestly. What's draining me? What's energizing me? What habits are destroying my confidence? What am I avoiding? No filters. No pretending. Clarity creates power. Step 2. Remove one toxic pattern. Not 5. Not 10. 1. Maybe it's late night scrolling, negative self-talk, junk food every night, comparing yourself to others. Pick one pattern and interrupt it immediately. Small wins build momentum. Step 3. Change your environment. Environment shapes identity. Clean your room, delete useless apps, reorganize your workspace, and follow accounts that make you feel small. Reset your surroundings, and your mind will follow. Chapter 2. Reset your body. Days 4 to 10. You cannot think clearly in a tired body. Your physical state controls your emotional state. If you want a new life, start with your biology. Step 1. Fix your sleep. For the next 30 days, same sleep time, same wake-up time. No phone 30 minutes before bed. Sleep is the fastest life reset tool on the planet. Step 2. Move every day. Not extreme workouts. Just movement. 20-minute walk. Push-ups at home. Stretching. Dancing. Action kills anxiety. When your body moves, your mind clears. Step 3. Eat like you respect yourself. You don't need a perfect diet, but ask yourself, does this fuel my future or destroy it? Drink more water. Add protein. Add vegetables. Reduce sugar. Energy changes everything. Chapter 3. Reset your mind. Days 11 to 17. Your life is a reflection of your dominant thoughts. So if you want to reset your reality, reset your mindset. Step 1. 10 minutes of silence daily. Meditation. Prayer. Deep breathing. No distractions. Just you and your thoughts. Most people are exhausted, not because they do too much but because they never sit still. Step 2. Replace consumption with creation. Stop consuming 3 hours of content daily. Instead, write, plan, learn, build, reflect. Creators feel powerful. Consumers feel distracted. Step 3. Choose a growth input. For 30 days, 10 pages of a book daily, 1 podcast episode daily, 20 minutes learning a skill. Input determines output. Feed your brain like it matters, because it does. Chapter 4. Reset your direction. Days 18 to 23. Many people aren't lost. They're unfocused. Clarity creates speed. Step 1. Define your 30-day focus. Not 10 goals. 1. 1 skill. 1 project. 1 health target. 1 income target. Intensity beats multitasking. Step 2. The 60-minute rule. For the next 12 days, spend 60 minutes daily on your focus. Non-negotiable. No excuses. No skipping. Consistency builds identity. You're not someone trying. You're someone who does. Step 3. Every night, write down what I did well today, what I improved, what I will do tomorrow. Progress creates motivation, not the other way around. Chapter 5. Reset your identity. Days 24 to 30. This is where the real transformation happens. You don't rise to goals. You fall into identity. If you believe, I am lazy, you will sabotage progress. But if you decide, I am disciplined, you will act accordingly. Step 1. Choose your new identity. Say it clearly. I am becoming someone who finishes what I start, takes care of my body, keeps promises to myself, builds instead of complains. Your brain believes repetition. Repeat it daily. Step 2. Make promises and keep them. Small promises. Wake up when alarm rings. Finish workout. Do the 60 minutes. Self-trust is built when you do what you say. Break promises to yourself long enough, and confidence disappears. Keep promises long enough, and power appears. Step 3. Forgive your old self. You are not your past. You are not your mistakes. You are not your failures. You are not your wasted time. You are who you decide to become now. Let go. The reset only works if you stop dragging yesterday into today. What to expect during the 30 days? Let's be real. Week 1. Excitement. Week 2. Resistance. Week 3. Doubt. Week 4. Momentum. Your brain will fight change because comfort feels safe, but growth feels uncomfortable. Keep going because discipline feels hard until regret feels harder. The 30-day reset summary. If you follow this structure, days 1 to 3, awareness and remove toxic patterns. Days 4 to 10, fix sleep, move daily, improve nutrition. Days 11 to 17, reset your mind and control inputs. Days 18 to 23, one clear focus plus daily action. Days 24 to 30, identity shift and self-trust. You will not just change your habits, you will change your standards. And when your standards rise, your life rises. 30 days from now, you will either be proud or disappointed, but both outcomes are created by what you do starting today. There is no perfect moment, no perfect timing, no perfect motivation. There is only decision. Decide that the next 30 days matter. Decide that you are done with average. Decide that you are done negotiating with excuses. Decide that this version of you is not the final version. Because the life you want, it doesn't start next year. It doesn't start next Monday. It starts after this video ends. Now here's the real question. Will you actually do it? If this message hit you, comment 30-day reset below. Save this video. Come back to it daily. Hold yourself accountable. Your future self is watching, and they're hoping you don't quit. Now go. Reset your life.